Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you a quick tutorial on Bruno, a fast open source API client that is perfect for testing APIs. Let's dive in. Bruno is a lightweight alternative to Postman and Insomnia. It stores collections as plain text files in your repository, so version control is super easy. Also, it's very fast and works offline. You can download Bruno from usebruno.com and it's available for Windows, macOS and Linux. Once installed, click New Collection. The collections are just folders for your API requests. The cool part is that Bruno saves everything in a local folder so you can push it straight to GitHub. I created my first collection and I'm going to add a new request. I will create a GET request to the JSON placeholder API. Just paste the URL and set the request name. Press the send button and that's it. We got the response instantly. Bruno also supports variables. For example, we can create a new environment and set the base URL as a variable to reuse it across requests. Simple, isn't it? This environment approach is perfect for switching between dev, staging and production servers. If you go to the general collection, you will see that there are some global settings that you can use. In terms of the folder structure, since Bruno stores requests as plain text, you can commit them to Git and share it with your team. No more exporting big JSON files like Postman. Here we have the demo collection and all the files. That's it. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Happy testing!